Hey guys and welcome. I haven't been here for over a month because I had a lot to do, working for example. And now it's a little bit more calm here, so I decided to do this video. And today I want to show you my home workstation and how my desk looks. I also did some software and hardware upgrades recently, so there are things to talk about. And before we start, I just want to remind you that this video is only about my home workstation, where I of course edit, mix, do the sound design and all the other stuff. But my main job is in a studio where we have SSL mixing console, we have 5.1 mixing system, big live room and lots of fun stuff to work with. And as always, I will be very happy if you leave a like after watching this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go! So the most important thing is the desk itself. It is custom-made desk designed by me, and it's combining style, ergonomics and storage space. It has a lot of drawers where I can put my stuff. The desk is also heavy, made with steel and oak wood to prevent any unwanted vibrations. On the top I have this monitor stand with another storage space for my hardware, cables and other things. My main computer now is Mac Mini with the M1 chip and 16 gigs of RAM. It is connected to two 27-inch LG 27GL850B monitors, which are mounted on the arm. Thanks to it, I can easily adjust them the way I need. They support 2K/Quad HD, 144Hz HDR and other cool features. I also use them with my PS5 because they have an ability to downscale from 4K to 2K. To control my Mac, I use Logitech MX Master 3 and Matthias wireless keyboard. I had Natek mouse before, some kind of MX Master clone, but I decided to go with Logitech and Natek is now my wife's mouse. I really like the ergonomic shape and buttons on MX, it really feels like high-end mouse in my hand. Also, horizontal scroll is a killer feature for me. The keyboard is rather a simple replacement for more expensive ones like those from Apple, for example. Main pro is that it's full-sized with numeric keyboard, but it has some cons. It's loud and it bends a bit, which could suggest it's not well made or durable, but for now it works with me for around a year, and I use it to play Warzone on my PS5 and it's still enough for me. Anyway, this one is first on the list to replace, I guess, and below that I have the Crux pad, which just looks good with oak wood and of course is good for mouse and placing a cup of coffee on it. I have a lot of things that need USB connection, so I have this external powered TP-Link USB hub. Let me mention some of these devices. First, the boring ones. Another hub for dongles like iLock, card reader, external discs, which will be probably replaced with Samsung T5s in the near future, USB charging cable for mouse and keyboard, Kompete Kontrol M32, SSL 2 Plus audio interface, Orbitkey Nest. Kompete Kontrol is here because I recently bought Complete Bundle and I wanted to have dedicated controller. Using it with complete software is really intuitive and fast, so I definitely recommend to try working with it. I also have bigger keyboard hidden behind the desk, but I had no reason to use it after buying this smaller one. SSL 2 Plus was recommended to me by my friends and they were totally right. I had an audio interface before and the gap in the quality is huge. Preamps are a lot better, knobs, inputs and outputs placement is way more comfy. Support for 2 pairs of headphones is really helpful when I want to check my mixes on different ones. Orbitkey Nest is an organizer with built-in wireless charger. I use it to store headphones, jack adapters, guitar picks, pen drives, business cards, SD cards and portable external drives. It is also plugged to my USB, so it works as my phone charger as well. And if I need to go out and, for example, have to work on my MacBook, this case really fits my needs. It is also customizable with those dividers. I saw this one in one of Peter McKinnon's videos and I knew I wanted. On the sides of my desk I have these Millennium monitor stands with M-Audio BX5s on it. I rarely use them to mix, those are mainly used for editing or music composition and to rest my ears after working on headphones. The reason I don't want to upgrade those with better ones is that this room isn't yet filled with acoustic absorbers or diffusers, and I haven't done any measurements yet to know what kind of acoustic treatment I need. It's probably a distant future thing, maybe even for another house. What's left? On the left side I have this headphones holder mounted to my desk. And my favorite ones, which I use every day, are Sony MDR7506 and Sennheiser HD 280 Pro. On the right side I have mic boom arm mounted. It's a cheap one from a brand called Newer, but as you can see it can handle RE320, which is not the lightest mic on the market. And behind I have a simple IKEA lamp mounted. There is also a tube preamp, which I use sometimes to record vocals or guitars. What's in the drawers? Zoom H5, RE350, MPD, pocket knife, MKH416, pop filters, and in those on left I have my PS5 pads, wireless GOs, USB cables, SD cards, adapters, dead cuts, mic holders, clamps, XLR and jack cables, instructions, and less important stuff. And I also use this Diablo chair, which is Polish brand. It's gaming chair in the king size version, so it's very comfy and can be adjusted in any way I need. It's a gift from my wife, same as Orbitkey Nest, so you can say she had a good taste and a big heart. And that's it, guys, I hope you enjoyed. The last thing I have here is this wooden cactus decoration, which I don't know what to do with. It could be glued to the wall or mounted in any other way, so if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe, and until next time.